Alright guys, so in this video we're going to look at the last set of volume, which would be volume of spheres. The volume of a sphere is 4/3 pi r cubed. Okay, real simple. So there's r, so my volume is 4/3 times 3.14 times 8 cubed. Let me get the calculator up. So while that's coming up, I'm going to go and write the rest of these real quick, and then we will find them. So this one is volume is equal to 4/3 times 3.14 times 4 cubed. This is my diameter, which means my radius is 2, so the volume for this one will be 4/3 times 3.14 times 2 cubed. And again, radius, or sorry, whoa, that's not radius, that's diameter. Diameter, which means my radius in this case is 5, so volume is 4/3 times 3.14 times 5 cubed. Alright, so calculator is here. So go back to the first one. So that's 8. So 4/3 times 3.14 times 8 cubed gives me 2043.57. So 2143.57 meters cubed. Switch the 8 to a 4, and we're going to get 267.95. So 267.95, again, meters cubed. Four becomes a 2. And we had 33.49. Again, meters cubed. And the last one is 523.33. So 523.33 centimeters cubed. That's all there is to finding the volume of a sphere. So we'll see you guys next week with probability.